Hello, I'm Dave Johnson, and it's been my great pleasure to have been a leader in the wonderful world of network marketing for nearly 50 years. And I was blessed to spend over 30 of those years with one company serving as their top earning distributor. And over those years was able to help that company become a $1 billion and multinational company. And there's nothing there's nothing like working hard in a high growth environment, being able to bring on really good quality people and everybody's winning and we're all growing together, making a difference in the world, especially if this is powered by products that truly make a big difference in the lives of other people, having impact. And oh, wow. After experiencing such great success and just operating at such a high level for so many years, it was all the more frustrating to find myself in a business environment where I was stuck. I was not growing. This was especially troubling when I realized that corporate was not doing anything to change that downward spiraling trend. At the same time, I got notified by my doctor the troubling news that I had 5 abnormal cell lesions growing in my prostate, and I needed to do something about that. I didn't want to do what they were suggesting, which would assuredly mess up my quality of life, not to mention the entertainment value of going through those treatments. So I started searching and praying and looking, and this is when I came across what we refer today as Cell Defender, which is the latest evolution of a formula that was originally created by a biochemist about 20 years ago. I've followed this product for many years now and witnessed well, the companies he licensed it to wasn't really reliable, and I was privileged to help inspire my new favorite biochemist to launch his own company. This was 3 years ago this month, just to ensure that these remarkable products are available to people who need them. And so here we are, 3 years into my what I am pleased to call my encore career. I'm the happiest and most passionate I've ever been about helping people with a product that makes a difference. And oh my goodness, this is something that we can't make medical claims. I can tell my story, but we can make functional claims that this systemically enters your body. When you do this, you just put drops in your mouth. Moments later, it's entering your bloodstream, and wherever your blood goes, these little particles of Clinoptilolite, which have been activated and micronized, grab heavy metals and other toxins and safely, I would say elegantly, remove these through urinary excretion, and a healthy, clean body fixes itself. Well, now I'm 3 years into my what I like to call my encore career. I'm more passionate than ever. This is my favorite product as far as making a big difference. Everybody needs it. Nobody has it. And Jim Rohn once said, and this is something that I've thought about a lot, if you don't like where you are, you can move. You're not a tree. George Bernard Shaw says it this way, that people are always blaming their circumstances. And he says, I don't believe in circumstances. The people who really get on in this world are the people that look for the circumstances they want. And if they can't find them, make them. Well, I want to tell you, I found some very fine circumstances. We are at the right place at the right time. If you're interested in just a healthy, growth-focused environment, sharing a product that everybody needs and nobody has, if you want to make a difference, perhaps we have found each other. Message me and let's talk some more if you'd like to learn about my favorite product.